Hello, this is Ram. Now I am going to explain about the program. This program is for to calculate the address of the array by using the row measure and column measure. Here I will show we have done this program by using C++ language. In this program, the first one is hatch include iostream. It instructs the processor, also known as header file, and the other line is using namespace standard. All in this, all the element in the standard C++ library are declared within. After that, we have started the main body main function. Then we have declared the variable for rows and column of integer data type, that is row and column. So now we are displaying the user input asking for number of rows in matrix, taking the input by the user in the variable row, user input asking for the number of columns, and taking the input by the user in the variable column, initializing the two-dimensional array with array name A. Output is displaying, again declaring the variable I and j for the looping for the loop control. Then again initialization the base address with 00, and outer for loop running for the number. This is the outer for loop running for number of rows, and then inner for loop running for the number of columns, printing the index number of each capsule. Then again row measure equal to base address plus I into row plus j. It is called as storing the address of array packets according to the row measure. And the another one is column measure equal to base address plus j into column plus I. That will be the storing address of array packets according to the column measure. Then again I will show you the next line of the program. Then we are printing the address of the every array packets in row measure format. That is cout the base address of the given array location in the row measure order, and finally we are printing the row measure address. Then again we are printing the address of the every array packet in column measure format. So now I will run this build and run this program. So now in the output it is asking for enter the number of rows. Now I will give the input I am giving the input enter the number of rows, that I am giving number of rows equal to 3. Then enter. Then again it is asking for, as we have given input in the program, it is asking for the enter the number of columns. So we are giving input as the number of columns is 2. Then enter. Then so you can see the output of every packet of array. It is defining like this. You can see the address of 0 1, the base address of the given array in row measure is defining. So we can find out by the row measure or column measure implementation. By this implementation, we can find the address of every packet of array. So thank you.